Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial about Triggerly. In this video, we'll learn how to add the Triggerly view to your main board and how to use it to print all the QR codes generated within the board. To get started, click on the plus icon at the top of your board, go to Apps, and select Triggerly from the list. Once the Triggerly view is added, you'll see important details such as your monthly credit balance at the top, an option to revoke app authorization if needed, and a complete list of all the QR codes generated on your board, with their corresponding item names displayed above each code. To print the QR codes, simply click on the Print button. This will open a new page that displays all your QR codes neatly organized. You'll have the option to either save the page as a PDF for future use or print it directly from your browser. Once you've printed the QR codes, you can stick them wherever needed. After that, tracking items becomes effortless. Just scan the QR codes using your mobile phone, and Triggerly will take care of the rest. Thank you for watching. We'll be back with more short tutorials on Triggerly to help you make the most of its features.